US. It's Memorial Day weekend. Have a safe and happy holiday, everybody. First off, we're taking a look at Caspa here, but right here is the crypto total market cap. First things first, I want to show you this. Look at the size of this wedge forming up. All right, this thing is absolutely on the verge of astronomically exploding. Okay, now let's see if a couple things line up here. Let's see where 1618 would put us, number one. All right, a 1618, and let's take a measurement of this wedge. All right, and see if a couple things line up here. Look at this move. This move is going to be huge. You talk about a big push up. All right, if it happens somewhere around here, all right, there you go. Lines right up with 1618 at about $2.5 trillion. That is going to be an increase. You know, if it happens, nothing is a guarantee. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, you're looking at a over 100% increase in the whole market cap of crypto. This is the total too. This is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So here's your altcoins. All right, everything but Bitcoin and ETH. All right, there's 69% of the market cap excluded from this. What do you think this is going to do to your portfolio? We have a massive move coming, guys. All right, you got the weekly RSI just turning up. The monthly is right at the top here. All right, that thing can stay up there for the whole bull run. All right, you can see back here in 2017, it actually was correcting as the bull market headed up. All right, 2021, this thing was stayed near the top for a long time, roughly from February of 2021, and it was correcting when we topped out. Look at this, it was coming down. When we topped out there in November of 2021, when Bitcoin, when the total market cap tapped out, then what are we looking for as far as a target for this bull run for the crypto total, the total two, and that's without Bitcoin and ETH, 5.8 trillion. All right, that is the target. All right, that is going to make this this bump here we're at right now look pretty minuscule in the bigger picture of things. All right, you're gonna have this big peak up here for this bull run. Retrace down. It's gonna look it's gonna be unbelievable for sure. All right, the crypto total market cap with Bitcoin, and these are huge to go over. Caspa, yeah, we're gonna go over that chart, but you really need to know what's going on the whole bigger picture, of everything here. If we take a look at this one here. All right, let's clear this off. There's not much on it, but all right, let's get rid of that. You can see here, this thing is also, if you take a trend line, put it out through here. All right, trend line on the bottom. Same exact thing we got going on here. Another wedge formation. All right, the monthly is probably right at the top, just the same here. Oops, I apologize somehow. I ended up stochastic. There we go. Let's put it on here. All right, you got the stochastic on the monthly, still heading up down here. You got your weekly on the uprise, looking absolutely great. All right, your 3-day and your 5-day, we go over there. The 3-day very oversold. The 5-day, same thing, oversold. This thing is absolutely looking good. The weekly is the one. That's the one that I get excited about. All right, you can see we don't usually start correcting till we get to these upper bands, and still through here, this thing really just kept going up through there. Right here, we're on the edge of the upper band, corrected down, getting ready to make a next move up here. Now, if we take a look at a couple things, if you actually zoom in and on here, all right, on a daily, you can see here, and I looked at this obviously before the video, if you come through here with a trend line, you have a breakout of this resistance here. All right. Now, if we go back out again, what is the total market cap of crypto as far as a target for this bull run? Right now, we are right around a little over 2.4, I believe. Is that where we're at right here? Yeah, 2.5. Yeah, that's down there. Nettie, she's killing trades today. Yeah, if you're interested, guys, we got a lot of trades going on over there today over in Discord. So that's a level 3 membership. Check it out, please. $15. We've been killing the trades, man. I posted a few the other day that absolutely destroyed it. That fetch trade was almost 300%. The Cody trade, that was almost 300%. There's been a few in there the last few days where we've absolutely destroyed it. So a level 3 membership gets you 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to do this stuff here, the charting. Then you get a link to the Discord for $15. All right, so really cheap. You know, if you're interested, sign up, come check it out, and post a few trades with us. 10.28 trillion is what we're looking at for a total market cap for the crypto run. All right, that's a 300% for the whole market cap. All right, the last one peaked out, and this one here was unbelievable, almost 3 trillion. All right, so we're going to over 3x the last run back here in 2021, and this one was unbelievable. If this is your first bull run, guys, congratulations. You're gonna absolutely love it. It is so much fun, especially when alt season comes. All right, that's when Bitcoin dominance takes a dive, starts rolling over. That's when the altcoins, and I call them altcoins, that's everything other than Bitcoin. That's what they call altcoins. Okay, that's when these things absolutely crushed it. All right, we're expecting that to get up a little over 60 percentile here. So that should get us our 1618 on a Fibonacci, and that should signal an alt season. You know, if it continues on this trend, we'd be looking towards the fall here. All right, if you zoom in on this trend line, look at that. You got Bitcoin dominance actually breaking a trend line here. It's down 0.5%. You could end up getting a pretty decent move out of this. Is this an ABC? I don't believe so. It could be. Yeah, we hit a 702 there. You know, you could have a little bit of a run here with the altcoins over the next few days, maybe down another percent. Yeah, could be a good next couple days for the altcoins here. Bitcoin is at 68.6. It's down $667, but you can see it is right up in this zone. That 702 and 618 we always talk about. It's right up in there, messing around in here. All right, we're looking for roughly $84,500 Bitcoin here. Looking to run up there. Then the next correction I would expect to come in here. Let's see if a trend-based fib does anything through here. It's actually giving a target. Well, you know what? You know what's weird about that? It's given $97,000, 97. All right, if you come out here on a weekly, the 1618 off of this top is 102.5. Could we head up there? Yeah. That could be. I mean, I would expect this first stop. Well, we will, I'm sure, eventually here. You know, that's the 2618, 102. Hey, you know, could we make a run there now before a retracement at 84.5? We could, by the looks of the total market cap and the total too, the size of the breakout coming. Yeah, absolutely. This trend-based fib, I have all the faith in the world in this thing. I use it constantly, and I'm going to show you on Caspa what it's looking like here. All right, if I go right off the bottom there, that's putting us at 90. All right, so either number one, our first stop is at here at 84.6, right? And that is off a trend-based fib. That was, oh, I'm sorry. That's off of our regular Fibonacci here. And then you can see the 2618 matches right up with the 1618 off the whole move. All right, so do we come up to 84? Can we blow through 84.5? Absolutely, we could. We could have head up to that 102. That's definitely a definitely possibility here. All right, I'm just going off the top of here for 1618 at 84.5. That's my first target. All right, if we blow through 84,500, then we're coming up to 102.5, and that would be the next stop. That's 1618, and of course for this whole bull run, Bitcoin has a long ways to go. You know, that is the target with the Fibonacci right there. Look at that. I don't know. What do you think? Think we'll get there? I think it's pretty interesting. That Fibonacci works so very, very well. The crypto bubbles. If you could give me 1 second here while we're waiting, could you hit the like and subscribe? I'd appreciate that very, very much, guys. A lot of people over in Discord today trading Jasmy. I got in a little Pepe short there, but I shouldn't say little. It was ended up being, I think, an 80% move, but yeah. So anyway, here's your bubbles. Not a whole lot going on there. I mean, Bitcoin's pretty flat. I'm expecting these altcoins to really take off here in the next couple days. With Bitcoin dominance dropping like it is, it could be a really good next couple days for us, guys, with the alts. Caspa 35.7 million in 24-hour volume, market cap 3.31 billion, and we're up 2 spots to number 31 over on CoinGlass. I tried to load this up the other day during the video at my Wi-Fi. We were having some really bad thunderstorms. Unbelievable, really. In fact, let me, okay, we're good. Let's see here. Yeah, 24-hour liquidations, not bad. 77.5 million. That's up actually 16.5%. Open interest, getting up there again. 69.5 billion. Last time we had a major correction, it was up around 80. So we're up 1.75%. 24-hour volume for the whole crypto market, $90.5 billion. That's up 3.5%. So you have more shorts than longs out there right now. 52.12% short and 47.88% long. If you come down here and look at the volume, last 24 hours. Number 1 volume taker, VeThor. How about that? VeChain, good old VeChain. VeThor is the gas for the VeChain network. I hold a pretty decent bag of VeThor. That's interesting. Kind of shocked to see that. The price is only up 12%, but it's a pretty crazy. Here's your top gainer. The last 24 hours. There's Celsius. Is that Celsius? Just wanted this Turbo. That's another one people are trading quite a bit over there. Yeah, it's Celsius. Over in Discord today, I've seen that quite a bit. A couple people trading that Turbo. I don't know a whole lot about it. I'm gonna have to look into it there. I downloaded the chart for it. I thought we would maybe check that out on a short video, since so many people in Discord are interested in it. But here's your top gainers last 24 hours right here. There's Turbo, 23%. It's $4.90. Holy cow! I thought it was. Is it a meme coin? Maybe it just got a low supply, I guess. Maybe. Okay. There's Jasmy. A lot of people trading that too in Discord. So go down through here. Looks like a few meme coins out there for sure. All right, let's come over here and take a look at the Caspa FYI, and let's get to that Caspa chart. All right, look at the petahash, guys. Look at this. Is this impressive or what? 299. I have never seen it that high. You might see history on this channel right now if that thing hits 300, because I have never seen it at 299. That's crazy. This thing just keeps picking up more hash rate and more hash rate, which is absolutely, obviously phenomenal. Unbelievable. 298.3 petahash. Transactions and blocks, we have not seen a significant pop in these at all on the videos. That's what I keep an eye on here. You know, they're shooting for obviously a lot higher transactions per second. There it goes up. You know, it goes up and down. There's 6.2 transactions. 299.6. Come on, hit that 300 one time before I gotta come over here and hit top addresses. Come on. 299.6. Come on, just once. Give it 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, hey, how about that? How cool was that? 300.1. We got it. All right. That's unbelievable. That's pretty cool. Wish my luck was that good all the time. All right, over on the top addresses here. I apologize, guys. I've been kind of slacking a little bit on videos. Wife has mono. I know I mentioned that. I try to keep my personal life out. But when it comes to my wife, she's my #1 priority. She's been really, really sick. But anyway, that's why I kind of been slacking a little bit. So last 24 hours, we've added 2 sharks, 19 dolphins. Nothing major through here. That one whale, I'm sure that's kind of a regrettable move there. Last 30 days, -5 whales. A little bit of profit taking there, I'm sure. All right, so if we come back over here, let's take a look at this chart. Got some major stuff happening here. I left this right where we had it the other day for the other day's video. I said if this thing got rejected at the 618, all right, look for a correction. And we got through that area. Okay, so we avoided this any kind of correction in here. We got up to this 618 right here, and actually had a nice pop through it. We're above the 702 right now up here, so this ABC is out, which that's good. Nothing wrong with ABCs though. They get the RSIs reset, which is never a bad thing. All right, is this a 4th wave pullback right here and a 5th wave up? Could be. Absolutely could be. All right, you could have 5 waves coming off here, 1, 2. Let me mark these out because this absolutely could. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 up to 15. 1. Is that possible? Yeah, it's possible. Let's get a measurement off this first. See if anything lines up here. Well, up to 14.5. Should probably pull that down just a little bit more. There we go. That's more like it. That's the bottom of wave 1 to the actually, I apologize. I'm not tweaking this on purpose. I'm giving it the full credit it deserves. Right about there. So this kind of does line up. You know, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th wave up to 15 cents. Absolutely possible here. No question about it. So this trend-based fib, this thing is pretty impressive. So do we have a target up here coming up to 15 cents? Where would that put us as far as this overall picture? Right up towards that box we've been talking about. All right, we are expecting a move out there up that way. This trend-based fib is unbelievable. All right. Just, it's unbelievable. Let me all right, we have a 1618 target up here of roughly 24.5 to 25 cents. That's the 1618. If I zoom out here, 1618, 24.5 to 25. Now, something I got pretty interesting to show you. Does anything line up with that? You seen we used a trend-based fib there for the shorter term move, roughly up to 50. Wow, right up towards our 618. But let's take that trend base fib, go from our low to our high to the retracement right there. Does this line up with anything higher? Look at that. There's your top. 24.3. Huh. Well, how about that? Lines right up with a 1618. Alright, so you would be looking at a wave 1, 2. This move here should turn out being, we're probably going to blast. We're probably, that 15.5, that's a shorter time frame move. That's up to the 618. But this 3 wave, that should turn out being our banger. You know, both of these match up. The 1618 Fibonacci off the top to the low, and our trend-based fib lines up. It gives us 24.3 and 24.6. Something tells me we're heading to the 1618 here, up at 24.5 cents. Now, does anything else line up with that? We got our RSI. The daily is turning back up. All right, we got the weekly looking absolutely fantastic. I mean, it couldn't look any better, really, for a move anyway. You can see here the last time we had this run up, the weekly was at the bottom. This move here started down at the bottom, and our first push up, small correction, and then the big bang here. This one here started at the bottom. This one here is starting at the bottom. All right, so we have that weekly at the bottom. The 3-day still pushing up. The 5-day still looks great. All right, so the area to get through. All right, I think as soon as we get through 16.4, I think this thing is really going to pick steam up and really start moving. And that's my personal opinion. But if this is the 3rd wave we're working on, watch for when it gets through 16.4. This 15.5 could be a short term, you know, on the hourly perhaps push up here. All right, and this here would all be your 4th wave pullback in here and a 5th wave up, and that would give that target for this. See here, trying to get this perfect right about there, you know, right around 15 cent, the 15 cent mark. I believe would be this 5th wave up. Could it head up to the 15.5? Absolutely. That is the 618 Fibonacci. Maybe then we get a short-term correction, and then we start going. Or this thing just absolutely starts picking up steam and starts heading out here. The shorter time frame is the 1 hour on the bottom, the 4 hour correcting, the 8 hour. Geez, it's just rolling over here a little bit. Okay. You can see there, but you know, when you look at this definitely looks like a wave 1, 2, 3. Your 4th wave is complex. Wave 2 wasn't, and a 5th wave up here. The 12-hour RSI is bullish, and at the bottom, roughly your 8 hours near the bottom here. It looks like it's about ready to correct, though. All right, so you could have a little bit more correction than this here as this works its way up. You could have a 618 pullback right here, and start 5 waves within this push up on the smaller time frames. You get what I'm saying? Like on this 1 hour, you know, you could end up having a the 1 hour is actually reset, you know, ready for a push up here. The 4 hour, you know, look at this. You can see a 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, we're going to get a push up here. All right, the 15. If that will go higher than 15. Boy, oh boy, I don't know. 15 might be the max for a short-term run here, but it definitely looking like Caspa is wanting to push higher here. You see in the bigger time frame, once we get through this 16.3, 16.4, this thing should really start moving, and that 24.5 cents, you know, that's going to be on a more obviously longer time frame. This move here ended up taking, let's see here, 1, 2, 3 weeks on this move here. All right, on this push here, we're already starting 1, 2, we're on our third week already on this one here. This one over here took roughly, you can see 4, 5, 6, this one here took a couple months. And as far, you know, if this total market cap, let's see how fast it can push up here, because that's the big, that's going to be the big, you know, catalyst for, I believe, for this move. The total 2. All right, with this massive wedge forming, as soon as this thing breaks through that, you know, at 1.25 trillion, this thing is just going to absolutely start tearing. There is no question about that. And when it does, it is just going to be unbelievable. This thing, do we have any wave count started on this? It's going to monthly. And see, yeah. You can see it looks like a 1, 2 right here. Could still be working on a 3 wave here. Like I said, that measured move, that next target is up at 2.5 trillion. 2.4, 2.4, 2.5. That's a 100% increase in the crypto total market cap. Okay, that's excluding Bitcoin. You know, so this is going to be a decent run, guys. Get ready. You got a big move coming for your wallets. Thank you so much. I will talk to you very, very, very soon. Please go sign up for that level 3 membership. Come trade with us. Try it out. See if you like it. If you don't, that's fine. You know, it's 15 bucks. You'll learn your $15 worth. 9 hours of videos. All right. So I got a pile of time in for $15. All right. Check it out if you want. Would love to have you. Have a great day, guys. Have a great holiday. I'll talk to you soon.